So in this tutorial, we're gonna go through Stationhead app, which is going viral right now, and I will show you why. It's pretty cool idea. So here is the app itself, Stationhead. That's how you find it. Yeah, by Stationhead developer. Host the party around the world. So the idea of this app that you can become like a DJ. You connect your Spotify, Apple Music account. By the way, you can only connect like a premium account, and then you kind of like a DJing or hosting the show, and people just joining you in the live stream. So basically, it's the same as you would have like a YouTube Music live stream, with live music, but people joining you, people can chat with you, all of the things. You can attach your shop, so it's like you can grow quite a huge audience. I will really recommend you to start right now. This app is not yet in the top charts, but it's an amazing idea. So yeah, Stationhead is the place for music fans around the world to connect, listen live, and stream together. Find your community, listen to your favorite artists, and drive streams with a community of fans from around the world. Chat, request, and call in live from anywhere on the planet. Join live moments with your favorite artists. Host the party, start a global station in seconds. Take the mic, play what you want, and reach anyone. Build your community. So yeah, download the free app today from iPhone, iPad, or iPod. Well, I didn't know there are iPod apps there, but yeah, you will see how it just looks like. And yeah, so that's the idea. So let's just open it up. So basically, that's how it looks like. You have channels which are on air, and then yeah, you can just join them, tap and join the channel. So for example, I can just join this one, and then you will see some music playing. I'm not playing the music obviously here, but yeah, here you can mute the channel in the top right. There is a mute icon. But then, yeah, you will see like the person is just basically created an account. You join with your Spotify or Apple Music Premium. And then you can just join in, and then there is a chat, and then you just listening to the music here. So yeah, it's like, someone would stream this stuff on YouTube, but on YouTube, you probably got a lot of issues. Here, you just, yeah, of course, you connect your paid Apple or Spotify account, and then you just stream it, and then you see all the audience, how many people are in the audience. You can see all the listeners. You can see what the aim of this stream. So these users want to reach 150 million streams, for example, and then if you can see if it's on air or not, then you can just react with this rabbit icon in the bottom right. Then there is like a shop where you can buy some tracks, where it's available. Like if you a DJ artist or someone, you can just create some music. Maybe you can already create some AI music or something like that. You can just also comment here, and that's what it is. Then what's here? Then this is you can see your total streams, your days active. There is all access, stream 7 more days to unlock all access benefits. That's like some additional things, features you get access to, obviously, if you stream a lot. So yeah, this is basically like a community of music streamers. And then you tap on your profile. Here you can follow the profile, you can tag in the comment, you can send a message, you can block someone. Yeah, so in a nutshell, that's basically the idea of it. Then in top part, you can just follow others, users, other stations. So yeah, all the hashtags, and in the meantime, you still can listen obviously to the station. It's playing in the bottom. So yeah, something like that. Like this app is not that viral everywhere right now. It's just getting some small first traction, but I think it can actually go viral. So if you are one of those music content creators, music producers, this is a really good idea for you to get onto this app and just get onto it. And then here you also have like a weekly leaderboard, like you can see the top users. You can just jump into them. You can see the chart position. There are different genres. You can find out your top creators. You can see which people are on air, and yeah, so it's pretty cool. But it's not like, you're listening to some like Sam Divine or some, like how, like, so, I don't know, like I'm some house music official channels or some famous DJs. This is just regular people, same as you, like, and they can create like a mass huge following on this app. So it's actually quite cool. And then, then you have your account. You can start a station yourself. You can just tap go on air, start a new show, tap next, and then choose music, test microphone, test notify followers, and then just tap to go on air. So super easy to start, just to get started. But for do that, you need to go in settings and then connect streaming services. And from here, you first need to connect your streaming service. Again, like, can you use Stationhead without Spotify Premium? I think it's not possible actually, because if I try to connect Apple Music, it instantly asks me to upgrade. I don't have paid Apple Music account, so it just asks me to upgrade. And yeah, so that's the idea. So you need to be upgraded in order to use this app, because that's how the music creators are being paid, so it's being fair. And then in the account, you can just delete your account if you don't like it. There are some library settings, don't know what that is. Purchases, there is your wallet. So here actually you can cash out and you can earn revenue. So that's another thing, like you can send coins to creators and creators can earn revenue. So it's pretty cool. So if you want, you can buy coins, as you can see here. So something like that. And that's, and then you can cash out if you have minimum 1,000 coins. I don't know, 1,000 coins, how much is that? Maybe it's like $10 or so. So that's how you do that. Then you have blocked accounts. You can block people. So yeah, as a creator, you can also earn revenue here. So that's another significant thing, of course. So yeah, and then you have message. I don't know what's your messages. So anyhow, this is like a new growing platform. It's just starting out. So I would really recommend you to give it a try actually, and check it out. Then there is like you can change your profile picture. So very minimalistic app, very easier to get started and to try out yourself, both as a creator, and if you like to discover some new interesting music, this is also a great app. I sometimes, you can go on not just on Spotify or like Apple Music, but just go to like I usually sometimes like to go to SoundCloud, for example, and then just find some interesting new growing artist, and you can find some really great tracks there. So yeah, that's basically what it is. So yeah, that's that. Give a try to this app. I don't know if it's on Android or Google Play Store, but for sure it's on iOS App Store, and it's growing. So give it a check.